Hey guys, my name is Tommy and today I'm going to do my first unboxing video. So my first video, I will be talking about snacks I got from the Philippines. I didn't get a lot while I was there, but I did manage to get 3 signature snacks. So the first one will be Champorado. Basically, it's a chocolate rice porridge. I bought this one in SM Hypermarket in Mall of Asia. It cost me about 35 peso. That's about 2-3 ringgit like that. It's very cheap lah. So in this box, it stated it serves 5. You boil water with sugar and 1 pack of this Champorado mix. Stir occasionally for 15 to 18 minutes sampai dia masak lah. Jom kita buka. Uyak ba? Anyway, so this is it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna masak this first and then I will do a taste test. This can be a really good meaty snack or as a brunch or maybe during high tea. This is really good. The second one I have is Povloron. Povloron is a Filipino style shortbread made of toasted flour, powdered milk, sugar and butter. I bought it at about 100 peso. I like it, they have different color packaging. Itadakimasu. Hancur ba? Tengok. See? Very buttery. It's sweet, buttery. When you makan kan, it melts straight in your mouth. Kalau tidak hancur kan, it looks like this lah. The third one that I have is pork chicharon. So pork chicharon is fried pork skin. It is very famous in the Philippines. Price for this chicharon is 178 peso. That's about 15 ringgit. This is not salty. We're gonna add this in Maggi and we're gonna try how does it taste like. So hot. I put 5 chicharon inside, so because the chicharon is really salty enough, the curry basically is a lot more saltier. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my first unboxing video. Do you like any of the food that we had just now? Do you like the Champorado more? Do you like the Chicharon? Or do you like the Povloron more? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any other Filipino dessert that you want me to unbox, let me also know in the comment lah.